In this video, I'm going to be building a beehive from a kit. First, I'll separate all of the parts and make sure they're all accounted for. Next, I'll attach the side and front and rear pieces of the top and bottom boxes. These boxes go together with screws. This beehive is going in up in Vermont. I'll be driving the bees up from Connecticut next weekend. They'll have access to lots of gardens that grow flowers, vegetables, and herbs. I've been doing beekeeping for a little over 10 years at this point. Now we're going to put together the frames. These consist of a top board, 2 side rails, and a bottom board. They go together with hand nails. It's always important to read the instructions, sometimes a couple of times. Once the top and 2 sides are connected, the foundation slides down in between. Here my helper Floyd decided to come do some quality control. Once all of the deep frames are complete, it's time to start on the medium frames. One little sniff test for approval from Floyd, and we're good to go. Now I'm just going to assemble the hive to make sure all of the pieces fit together, and she's a beauty. If you haven't subscribed or gone back and liked every single one of my videos yet, feel free to do that now. Thanks for watching.